Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we are diving into another round of updates and discussions that you won't want to miss. There's been a lot happening lately and honestly I'm so excited to break everything down for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future uploads. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. 1st December 2025, Aman stands by Anjali as the Rajput criticize her for offending Yuvraj. Subsequently, Prakash taunts Anjali claiming she cannot prevent Yuvraj and Mehak's marriage. December to 2025, Yuvraj influences Mehak and asks her to prevent Anjali from disrespecting his friends during the Haldi ceremony. Subsequently, Anjali confronts Raghav and swears to halt the wedding. December 3, 2025, Anjali persuades Padma to assist her in halting Mehak and Yuvraj's marriage. Subsequently, the Rajput family commences the festivities for Mehak's Haldi function. December 4, 2025, Anjali is pressured by the Rajput to apply Haldi on Yuvraj. Soon she refuses to accept Raghav's gifts. Later she cautions Mehak that her decision to marry Yuvraj could lead to serious issues. December 5, 2025, unaware of her plan, Gaurav confronts Anjali for supporting Mehak and Yuvraj's wedding. Meanwhile, Sadhika becomes suspicious of Anjali's plans. December 6, 2025, Anjali tells Padma about their strategy to prevent Mehak and Yuvraj's marriage. Simultaneously, Chandrabhan becomes wary of the bridal vehicle in Anjali's basti and informs Raghav. December 7, 2025, Chandrabhan sends Prakash to abduct Padma from Anjali's neighborhood. Subsequently, Padma dresses as the bride and replaces Mehak in the bridal carriage as per Anjali's scheme. December 8, 2025, Sapna runs after Prakash and his henchmen who abduct Padma. In the meantime, Yuvraj shares his desire for Anjali to conduct Aarti during his family's reception. December 9 to 0 to 5, a determined Anjali vows to stop Mehak and Yuvraj's wedding at all costs. Later, Anjali is left startled when she finds out that Padma has been kidnapped. December 10, 2025, Gaurav confronts Raghav for marrying Mehak and Yuvraj and destroying her life. In the meantime, Yuvraj commands Prakash to eliminate Padma, but Anjali defends her. December 11, 2025, the wedding proceedings commence with Yuvraj signing the marriage papers. Tension escalates as Mehak hesitates to sign while her family pressures her. December 12, 2025, Padma tells Mehak she is pregnant with Yuvraj's child, while a guilt-ridden Raghav urges Mehak not to marry him. Later, Anjali reveals Padma's pregnancy report is fake. December 13, 2025, Pankaj comes to take Yuvraj to the police station as Chandrabhan begs Anjali not to stand against Yuvraj. Subsequently, she encourages Raghav to stand up for justice. December 14, 2025, Anjali and Gaurav attempt to entice Raghav with tasty meals. Eventually, he becomes sentimental as Anjali's cooking evokes the soothing flavor of his mother's cuisine. December 15, 2025, Chandrabhan threatens Anjali that severe repercussions will follow if Yuvraj is locked up. Eventually, Ganesh takes pride in Anjali's triumph in court and her struggle for justice. December 16, 2025, Raghav feels embarrassed as Ganesh ridicules him for losing the case. Subsequently, Gaurav and Aman share their happiness and commend Anjali on her victory. December 17, 2025, when Yuvraj is sentenced to imprisonment, Chandrabhan threatens Raghav. However, Anjali intervenes and takes a firm stand for Raghav. December 18 to 0 to 5, a woman named Rupa from the maid center arrives and takes Padma with her. Later, Chandrabhan makes an unexpected demand December 19, 2025 inches an effort to trap Raghav Bhajan and Chandrabhan make a foolproof plan with Padma. Meanwhile, Raghav remains aware of the plan December 20, 2025 Anjali cautions Raghav against attending Padma's wedding worried it could be a setup. Later, Pankaj discovers Raghav with a knife leading to him being accused of stabbing Padma December 21, 2025. The Rajput become anxious upon discovering that Raghav is wrongly charged with Padma's attempted murder. Subsequently, he rejects Anjali's proposal to represent him and clear his name. December 22, 2025 Anjali confronts the media regarding Raghav's supposed assault on Padma and promises to establish his innocence. Even though Padma is in a critical condition, she commits to exonerating Raghav. December 23, 2025 Anjali confronts the media regarding Raghav's supposed assault on Padma and promises to establish his innocence. Even though Padma is in a critical condition, she commits to exonerating Raghav. December 24, 2025 Anjali pledges to win the case and exonerate Raghav. In the meantime, Mehak, adhering to Anjali's scheme, starts to emotionally influence Yuvraj. December 25, 2025 Yuvraj urges Mehak to earn his trust in order for the plan to work. Meanwhile, Anjali vows to defend Raghav and prove his innocence. December 26, 2025 Anjali fights for Raghav's case after being pursued by the Rajput family. Later, Anjali vows to prove Raghav's innocence. December 27, 2025 At the start of the trial, Bhajan interrogates Pankaj regarding Raghav's attack on Padma. Subsequently, Anjali reveals Rupa Rani's baseless claims against Raghav hurting Padma. December 28, 2025 During trial, Anjali presents a phone recording of Padma and Raghav as crucial evidence. Afterwards, she requests bail for Raghav from the judge, but Bhajan vehemently contests it. December 29, 2025 Raghav feels overwhelmed with emotion after being granted bail, sincerely thanking Anjali for her assistance. Meanwhile, at the hospital, Gaurav intervenes to prevent a man from assaulting Padma. December 30, 2025 Gaurav tells Anjali about the assault on Padma. Later tensions rise as Anjali and Pankaj partake in a fervent dispute about his allegations concerning Raghav. December 31, 2025 Things take a joyous turn as the Rajput family members welcome Raghav home. Meanwhile, Pankaj questions Anjali about the CCTV footage.